Welcome back to Full Throttle. Here's another gaffe that I made that I'd like to break down and deconstruct for you. This is at Buttonwillow, clockwise, headed into Riverside. I'm just going to drive straight off the track and go off-roading for no particular good reason here. At 110 miles per hour, the car will not turn. I slide off. Luckily, I didn't spin too badly, but I did get a big amount of dust and dirt and debris in the car, and it damaged my front splitter. And we'll look at this a couple times and I'll show you why it happened and how it happened. You'll notice that I'm already pretty loose. I was on some really bad used tires at the very end of the day, and I was out kind of having some fun just to close out the day. And I kind of underestimated the lack of grip, and the tires were still cold. This was like the outlap. So I was used to going into Riverside around 105, 110. I came in hot, as you'll see here, headed into the entrance of Riverside at about 110. The car just will not turn. I lift off the throttle, try to get to bite. I should have dabbed the brake a little bit to get a little bit more rotation, but there was nothing I could do. It got a little dusty when I got out there on the marbles, and just one of those really weird, unfortunate situations. And I will not repeat that one again.